All right, everybody, Sylvia here, and I am in Bermuda Dunes, a small town in the Coachella Valley just outside of Palm Springs. I am here visiting my friend Joni, who is a priest of a Catholic church, St. Francis of Assisi, and the parking lot of the church is big enough that I can keep my truck and trailer here. And I have to say, this is a really fun aspect of having this truck and trailer is that I can go visit my friends. And with the truck, my trike is always safe. So my trike is in the truck, and I don't have to worry about where to keep it. And this is something that has always been an issue when I was trike touring. And it's just so fun that I have this freedom to go wherever I want, to go visit people wherever they are, and I don't have to worry about the safety of my trike. And it has actually been, it's overcast, it's been raining all day here. In fact, I think it's raining now. I'm probably going to bring this video inside the trailer, but the winter here in Southern California, actually, I think in California as a whole, has been very, very dry. They've had very little rain, so this is welcome, and it actually feels good to have the rains. But yeah, I'm going to go inside. The other reason why I am here is there is a very big tennis tournament that happens in just outside of Palm Springs in Indian Wells. It's one of the biggest tennis tournaments in the world. I have always wanted to come to this tournament, and the tournament was canceled because of the coronavirus. And gosh, this has just really thrown me for a loop. You know, I think like a lot of people, we're watching this virus and we just don't know what to think. Is it media hype? Is it as serious as people are saying? And boy, you know, you look at the numbers and they just don't seem to back up the seriousness of it. But now with this tennis tournament canceled, I mean, this is a tennis tournament. There's millions of dollars in prize money. ESPN shows it on television, so there's ad revenue. People come from all over the world. And clearly these are people who have money because, you know, they're flying to this small city in California to watch tennis. And so the hotels, the restaurants, the rental cars, all the money that these 450,000 spectators would be spending is gone. And so this is a huge decision to cancel this. And so I think, my gosh, you know, this is really something I think I need to be taking it a little bit more seriously. And then, of course, the next question is, well, what does that even mean? You know, you hear about people self quarantine, and I don't even know what that means. And, you know, how do you prepare for that? You know, people talk about for 2 weeks. Does that mean I have to have food and water in my trailer for 2 weeks? Is it okay to call for delivery? Can I trust that the people who make the food that I'm ordering aren't also sick? And when do you get prepared? It feels like I should probably think about doing this before I am sick. I am not sick. I have no symptoms that I know of. I feel fine. I don't have any respiratory issues, so I feel like, you know what, I'm probably going to be okay. But you know, you want to be a good citizen, not just take care of yourself, but take care of your community. And I don't really want to be one of these people who is out spreading the virus unaware that I even have it. And so there's just a lot to think about. This is uncharted territory. We've never faced anything like this before. And so I think we're just kind of forced to take it day by day and see where this goes. Maybe, you know, the virus is going to run its course really quickly, and that would be so great. But I think we need to be prepared, or I feel like I need to be prepared for things to get worse. And, you know, think about what that means. How do I take care of myself? So these are just some of the things I'm thinking about. And since the tournament has been canceled, I also am kind of wondering what's next. And my friend Joni is a trike rider, so I think we're going to be out exploring the area, riding our trikes. I also know other people in the area that ride trikes, so I suspect that we're going to be all out riding together and taking advantage of some of the trails and cycling paths in and around Palm Springs. And I'm really looking forward to seeing the area too. The other thing I have done, so I was in Yuma for a couple of weeks and I met some really fun people, had a really good time. It's a very interesting area, and I have put together clips of my time in Yuma, and I hope you enjoy them. And as always, thank you for watching. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, so this is the border, Los Algodones, Mexico. Don't need your passport to get into Mexico, but you do need it to get out. It's a very, very easy drive from Yuma, just down I-8, about 5 miles. And this town is nothing but medical offices, medical clinics, mostly dental. There's about 300 dental clinics in Los Algodones, and they also have other types of shopping, so I'm gonna look and see what the prices are like for maybe a bottle of scotch or a bottle of Bailey's, and just kind of walk around the town after I see the doctor. I came a few days ago and got some blood work done. I find that it's much, much cheaper here in Mexico than in the United States. In fact, it's cheaper than my copay. So that's why I am here, is to save a little bit of money. So here, this is Los Algodones, and on this side of the street and on this side of the street is a pharmacy and liquor store together. I might have to go check this place out. It's humongous. And this is just, oh, I'm sorry. It's just Americans in here having dental work and other medical services. People just come for the day.